What is up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. As promised, we're gonna put on tire stickers today. And oh boy, I love tire stickers. In my opinion, they are the best single mod that you could do to your car to just change, you know, like what it looks like, and it just looks a lot beefier. It just makes sense. And I don't know, maybe I'm old-fashioned, but that's the way I roll. Anyway, speaking about rolling, we're headed out to SMS Design and Performance. I'm gonna get there, gonna set up a camera, gonna show you guys a time lapse of how these tires are put together and so on. First, we need to shave them off, make them look real nice and slick, stick on those stickers around, and it'll look awesome, man. I can't wait. I don't know, because we're just changing it up a little bit since last time, but you'll see that in the video itself. Yeah, so let's head out to SMS, see what we can do, what we can see, and we'll get a time lapse going on, show you guys the whole process, and we'll finish up with the wheels on the car. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this upload. Let me know what do you think about the tire stickers. I still think that they're the best looking tire stickers you can get. The whole circle thing just makes it stand out, like look like a Tron car or something. I don't know. I don't know why I like that. It just looks dope to me. Let me know if it looks dope to you. You can leave me a like. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Take care. We'll see you next time, baby.